Alright guys, thanks for watching Bill Diesel Mafia here on YouTube. Right now I got a Sport Super Duty right here in front of me, so let's just walk around this thing, take a look at it. Of course what you get is a black grille, no matter what color truck it is, the grille is going to be black. Of course you have the black headlights, painted to match bumpers, black wheels, black emblems as you can see, black mirror caps, and black running boards. So, more black wheels. Rear bumper is also painted to match. So previously you had to buy the platinum to get painted to match bumpers, and now you can get it in this. Now, of course, if you buy a black truck, it's going to all match. Whether this truck is silver like it is, it's going to be black up front. Red, it's going to be black, and so forth. Blue, I think it looks really good on the blue, but I don't have one here to specifically show you. This is the only one here on this particular Ford lot that I'm aware of. So overall, I think it's a good look. I like it. I think it's been a long time coming. I do wish that they did body color on the grille and the side accents and stuff, although it does not look bad at all. I do really like it. I'm glad that it's finally a package that's available, and if you want painted to match stuff, you don't have to step up to the platinum. This is probably the configuration of this new Super Duty that I would personally buy. Probably not silver, but you know, I'd probably stick with black, or I would go with the ruby red or the magma red. That's probably my favorite, magma red. But you know, overall, very nice looking truck. And that's the Sport Super Duty package. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.